What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It is Moon, and I am back with another bi-weekly video. So this video is going to be for, what do I want to start with? I usually do Aqua, but I'm going to do Aries gang for my boy over here, Bossy. Shout out Bossy and all the Aries out there. Today's my nigga's birthday. Happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday. But yeah, so this video is going to be for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, for Aries gang. Because what the hell is he doing? But yeah, so happy birthday, Aries out there. Shout out to y'all. Sun, Moon, Rising, April 1st to, we'll do the 14th. Yeah, we'll do the 14th. April 1st to the 14th. Okay, 2022. So overall, I'm feeling really good. Like, really, really good. I feel excited. Like, I mean, I guess you are excited. It's your fucking birthday. Like, nice. Okay. Oh, okay. So we got winner, and then we got don't stop, try again. So I'm gonna switch them and just be like, don't stop, try again, and winner. So there's something that you may not be getting right away, or you may be failing at, or someone saying no to you, and then it's just like obsolete because you win. So just keep going. I feel like whatever it is, like if you're asking for something, someone's like, no, just be like, yo, so like, it's my birthday. Like, look, do you know who I am? Look, can you just try it again? You know, and then they'll be like, okay, fine, fuck it. You win. You can have it. You can have it. Whatever you want. You can just have it. Nice. Shit. Okay. Let's see what else for Aries. Sun, Moon, Rising for April 1st. Holy shit. April 1st to April 14th. Oh. Whoa, hold up. What the fuck? Are these turned? Like, hold on. Wait a minute. No, there's way too many cards. Okay. God damn. I don't know when the whole deck flipped the fuck over and flipped the fuck out. So I feel like shit is getting out of hand. like shit is everywhere. Like shit is like a lot of stuff is coming up, coming out, whether that's good or bad. Oh shit, it's good. It's good. Goal. We got chemistry coming out. We make sure that's the only gem. God damn, like that was a lot kind of coming out. So, okay, chemistry, I like that. That just made my heart be like, oh, okay. And then, oh, damn. So everything was good, and then save money. So, okay, go time, stop time at the bottom of the deck. So don't stop, try again, and winner. We already hit with that. I feel like I don't really know the words for it right now. I just feel like getting up and doing something. I just feel like you're moving. Like, I don't even want to say moving a lot because it's just so like vague. Let's just pull some cards because like I feel like I want to move, and then I feel kind of stuck, and then it's like I know all I got to do is just get up and move. Like I could just cut the video off and just get up and move. You know what I'm saying? So it's like you feel like you have to be somewhere or to do something a certain way, and it's not the vibes aren't working for you, so you just like, look, no, I'm taking control of the situation. I'm the boss. I'm gonna move. Like, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna switch it up. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like that's like the chemistry that you have. And then, like, because you're creating that within yourself, you're attracting that. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, oh, you know, Aries is taking this control. Aries is wanting this. Let me go get Aries this, because everything Aries wants, like, I'm doing it for Aries. Like, I'm getting it for Aries. So it's almost like you don't even have to really, I don't want to say you don't have to do anything anymore, but I feel like it's more of a communication thing. Like, you just have to speak more is what I'm feeling for you, Aries. Like, and then save money. I feel like that's just saving resources, just period. Or saving time. I don't know, we're gonna get to that. Because I already, damn, 6 minutes. Oh my God. Are we trying to make these videos short? I swear. I swear. But fuck it. Okay. Don't stop, try again, and winner. Oh. Okay. Okay. So we got the Chariot, the Knight of Cups, and Judgment. So yeah. So okay. I'll break it down. So the Knight of Cups, for don't stop, try again. It's like you're wanting to have something, you're wanting to get something, you're wanting to receive something that you love, or something that, you know, that you want. And like, for whatever reason, you know, people are coming to you quickly, or moving quickly, or bringing you these things like because you said so. Like with Judgment is what I'm feeling like you said what you wanted, you communicated what you wanted, and it's like the people are receiving and they're listening to you. They're like, oh, you want me to go here? Okay, cool. Oh, you want me to do this? Okay, cool. I got you. Oh, you need this? All right, cool. Like, you just had to say something. You see this trumpet, and she's like yelling at the people, but she's not even yelling. She's just talking, but she has a fucking microphone, so like everybody hears her. You know what I'm saying? So there's that, and then she's like, this is what I want. This is how we're gonna do it. And, you know, boom. And then everybody's like, okay, yes, ma'am. You know, like, that's how I feel. So then chemistry. Let's see what's up with chemistry. Yeah, this feels really good. This feels really, really good. Like, I feel really, really powerful. Like, goddamn. Like, I feel like, give me $1 million right now. And then everyone's like, cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. That's what you need? That's it? Okay, cool. Got you. Oh, great. I could save the world with this. To the Batmobile. You know, that's how I feel. So let's see. Chemistry. Did y'all see that? Alright, we have the 8 of Swords and then the 4 of Wands. So yeah, I feel like with the 8 of Swords, it's like you're blinding yourself to something, or you're not seeing something. And I feel like what wasn't seen was the power that you really have in speaking or communicating the things that you love, or that you want to be passionate about, you know, like. And it's just with the sword, again, I just feel like it's communication. Like, you felt like you couldn't speak, you felt like you couldn't do anything, you felt like something couldn't change, but in reality, you're in this 4 of Wands situation, or you found or created this 4 of Wands situation where you have a partner, like you have people, you have like everything it is that you need and could want, when all you have to do is speak it, and then it is so. Yeah, it's like with the swords again, like you think it, you intellectualize it, and then boom, you speak it, or you communicate it, or you share it, or you write it down, or you do whatever it is that you need to do to get it from your head to reality, and then shit starts moving with the wands. I feel like shit starts blowing up. Like, I wasn't that great in chemistry class, but I just always imagine going into the classroom and then things just blowing up. So I was like, dang, I was waiting for that and it never happened. And I was like, damn, I thought we was gonna be doing more magic in here, but that's a whole different story. So save money. Save money for Aries. Sun, Moon, Rising. Oh, damn. Hell no. There's too many cards. Oh, wildin'. Oh, wildin'. There's too many cards. Aries, I don't like how you talking to me right now. Bruh. God damn. Okay. All right. Fuck it. It's your birthday. You got it. So, yeah. All right. We got the Knight of Pentacles. So, you already know. Pentacles are about money. Save money. You got this big ass coin in his hand. I feel like money may be coming in slow, or you felt like money was coming in slow. Let me see. But you got the Sun, so I feel like people are giving you a lot of money. I feel like it was something that you were worried about with the Nine of Swords for a while. Yeah, matter of fact, yeah, because in chemistry, again, we go from the Eight of Swords to save money, the Nine of Swords, like things getting worse. So I feel like okay, boom. Thank you. I feel like you had a decision to make, or you saw that you had a decision to make in this chemistry, and feeling this chemistry, and understanding this chemistry and this power that you have. And I feel that you saw that things could either get worse if you kept feeling like, you know, you didn't have power, you kept feeling powerless, or you kept feeling like you couldn't get the things that you want, or you couldn't communicate the things that you want, or you know what I'm saying, like you just felt like shit was just not gonna work, right? Or Two of Swords, or you have this decision, because all twos balance, you know, it's this on one side, right, and then this on the other side. So this is your other choice. Your other choice is you don't have to do this alone. Like, people can help you. You have resources. You can attract the things that you need by just, first of all, being happy with the Sun. Like, you see how happy this kid is? Like, just being a kid, like just being youthful, being joyful, and just going for the things that you want to go for. Boom. And then you attract that. You attract everything you need. So making that decision, Aries, can you see that? Like, you can be stressed out, or you can have everything you want. So boom, go time, stop time. Again, at the bottom of the deck, like, you decide if you want to go for this shit, okay, or if you just want to be like, stop, that's enough, I've had enough, this is terrible, my life sucks. Like, if you want to have that type of attitude, then go ahead. And then, oh, Wi-Fi wifey after that. So what's up with that? But yeah, bruh. Okay, so bottom of the deck, we have the Three of Pentacles. So again, that planning, that communication, that talking and working together with people, places, and things to build shit is creating this independent abundance for you. Independent abundance. Oh my God. The bun. Independent abundance for you. Like, you're gonna have all the money you need. Like, you're gonna have everything you need, honestly. Like, this is great, and that's a big ass transformation for you, or it feels like it, at least, for sure. So yeah, let's pull an oracle, because I'm not gonna have no 30-minute videos. That's all day. No. So let's see. Aries, advice for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising. I want to get a spirit animal deck. I want that deck so bad. A time for, what the damn, I thought this was only one card. But yeah, okay, so a time for healing, which I feel like is to save money, like save your energy, save your resources, sir. Didn't I say I don't like how y'all talking to me right now, Aries? Niggas is talking shit because it's their birthday. But okay, fast forward. So, a time for healing, and then it's time to release negativity. So, yeah. Like, release this old shit. Release this 9 of Swords, 8 of Swords energy. Speak what it is that you want and receive. And just sit back and chill. Shit, just take a break. Take a break. So, yeah. Nothing will come of this situation, this void space. Void space is basically a creation space. So in this space, in this darkness, in this wherever this is for you, like this dark place for you, you can either, again, be dark. You can either think negative, think pessimistic, think, oh my God, life sucks. Or you could pick yourself back up. You could take control. You could be like, look, bitch, I hate how you leave the toilet paper folded to the left, and like, you know what I'm saying? Just communicate that, and they're like, oh, okay, well, why didn't you just say something? And then you're like, damn, why didn't I just say something? And then shit gets better, okay? And then it just gets better and better and better. So decide what you want to make in this void space, in this nothingness for yourself. Heal yourself and release negativity. So that's what I have for you, Aries, today for the next 2 weeks. So if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. You already know. So yeah, if you need a personal reading, information for that is in the description box below. So until next time, you are truly legendary. I love you, and I will see you later.